yellow highlighted cell in a particular range. So in this example, we have a 4 cells which are highlighted in yellow. I need to get the sum. So the easiest way is to do equal to sum by color. Select your range. Now put comma. You need to get the code from Google. For each color there is a code. So I have a number 6 which is dedicated to yellow color. Put 6, put equal to, you will get the sum. You can do it manually, and if you change it, it will get changed for if these are the highlighted in yellow. Now one thing you will not find in your Excel, which is sum by color, because this is a function which we have created by using a code, the VBA code. Let me go to VBA code here, which is here. So if you see, this is a code. You can see we have defined a sum color and we have defined a range, and obviously the color code which is integer. So just check the code, try it, and this is what a magical thing we have get it. Now the problem with this particular thing is, if you highlight any other cell as a yellow, it will not auto calculate. You have to do a refresh, or you have to do enter a function again. So this is what the backlog is, but now this is what the magic of Excel is. You can cheat your color, provided you have a sufficient knowledge of code. You can copy that code. Thank you, and share with your friends who are struggling, who are doing manually color total. So this is what the function is all about. Have a good day.